Hi, welcome to Digital Service Management Video Rapid. I am Anurag, Solution Engineer for BMC. Today we will look at how does BMC Remedy integrates with Active Directory for people load. BMC Remedy comes out of the box with integration jobs for connecting to LDAP servers. It has jobs for connecting to LDAP server on regular port and LDAP secure through the secured port. Let's look at how exactly these jobs look like. Log into your Spoon client and open the transformation job for LDAP servers. The job and the transformation. Yes. Let's look at the first step, the details for the Active Directory server and the fields that would be pulled up from the Active Directory. Let's look at the output step. We see that the field mappings from the Active Directory are mapped to the fields inside Remedy. There it is. Let's test this by creating a sample job in the Data Management Job console. Give the details for this job. Select the company and then save it. Let's add the steps from the BMC steps and select the LDAP job in there. It loads with the load, validate and promote jobs. Let's go and modify the load step and put in the details of the Active Directory server, the IP, the credentials for the Active Directory, the password, the name of the domain, domain.com, and the other details around this. Let's go ahead and go back to the job and change the status to build and save it and execute it. The job executes and it goes into in progress. Once the load step is complete, the validate and promote are completed as well. There it is. It's time now to test that the user accounts have been successfully imported. There it is. The two accounts that were part of the Active Directory have been imported with the other details, for example the phone number and the email along with the login ID. Similarly for the other account. Now we will look at how we can execute this job directly from the Spoon client of Pentaho. Let's open the transformation job, LDAP people, and start with the editing the first step. Put in the details of the Active Directory server, the port, the credentials that would help us fetch the data from the Active Directory. Remove the string so that we get all the data. And similarly modify the details for the manager lookup step. The credentials, and let's go ahead and save it. Now's the time to modify the output step. The details for the AR server, the details of the AR server, test it, works fine. Update the old records and the basic details. If there is a field mapping, you can define it here. Now it's the time to launch this transformation and see the output. The step is complete. Now it's time to look at the data from the staging forms. Yes, we see that both the accounts that were there in the Active Directory have been loaded in the staging forms. This is how we integrate BMC Remedy with the Active Directory. That brings us to the close with the fact you don't know. Thank you for watching.